So what do you do when your boss asks you, hey, can you film our pop-up event that we're doing? Yeah, I guess I can. Hello, welcome back to this channel. If you've never seen my face before, I'm Harriet. I'm a content creator from the UK, currently working for Huel. On this channel, we explore all the things that make up being a content creator. So subscribe and buckle in. So my first thoughts about this was, well, what is this video? Where is it going? What are the key shots we need to get for PR and other things like that? Also, how would I execute this as a one-woman band? Enter the planning phase. First of all, plan your day. Or days in this case. When do you need to hire things by? What's happening on the day? And when do they need that first edit by? All really important questions to help you plan more effectively. Because you don't want to get to the end of your shoot day and that client go over your little shoulder and say, are you sending this back when you get back home? Because nuh-uh, we agreed this time and it's gonna be this long, so let's keep to the script. It'll help, trust. So for us, it ended up being 2 weeks before, make sure everything's hired and insurance is all sorted. Day before the shoot, pick up all your equipment, all the hiring equipment and things like that. And of course, make sure you charge every single battery you own in your life. Day of the shoot, it's 8 AM start. We got a briefing from the staff and then other things going on in the day. Just plan that out what you need to do. And then they wanted the first round of edit back by Sunday evening. We're shooting on a Saturday, finish for the end of the day on Saturday night, and then edit by Sunday. Quite a tight deadline, but we like that around here. The next stage of planning should be planning your gear. We wanted to have a time lapse of customers coming in and out of the pop-up store, so I thought the best way to do that would have a little GoPro at the top, just to time lapse it all throughout the day. So next up is the main event, the main camera. A7 Mark III is my go-to at work, and it's a powerhouse of a camera, so it's 4K, who wouldn't like that, and slow-mo. It's everything you need. So I wanted to make sure that we had a lens that had a nice low f-stop to have some crispy bokeh. So we thought a 24-7E, like 2.4 would be a brilliant answer to this solution. Answer to this problem. I'm quite a hands-on person, I like to hold the camera, but in this case we wanted to do a shot where you like ran down the line. So I made sure we've got a gimbal, and then that way I can just float around and be all good. Also, gotta remember that monopod. Monopods are excellent in any situation. Pop it out, stand, done. One more thing on the planning, I would normally plan out like a storyboard, but instead we use a shot list for this one because we knew there was a key shots that we wanted to get, like the line and other things like that. So made sure we have a shot list. This is it. It's here. I've charged every single battery I can think of, and I'm ready to get going. I've got a shot list, it's in the back of my pocket, then along with a truck ton of SD cards, because you never know what will go wrong, and a crap ton of batteries. So this was kind of the setup. I was on the main camera, and my beautiful girlfriend and sound assistant was on sound. Now I can't lie, I was a bit nervous about one thing and one thing only. The GoPro. Now I don't have a great reputation? Is that the right word? That probably is the right word. Now I don't have a great reputation with GoPro and their apps. I'm sorry GoPro, but your app just sucks. As well as the Zion, it's just very complicated for no reason. So I got my boss to stand on that ladder, get up and mount it onto the top so we could see everything over. And I knew that I needed to change the batteries like every 4 hours. So I set a time for 4 hours. Lo and behold, 1 hour after, it was off. I was there like trying to connect to the app and it just wasn't working. So unfortunately, while people were coming in, the first load of videos gone, not there at all. Got an hour of it and that's about it. But it's okay because I set it up again and it was all fine to go again. So one of the key money shots they wanted to get was the line like wrapping all the way around the building. It was a sight to see, to say the least. I wanted to make sure we grabbed that like the excitement and just the length of it. So in order to do that, we thought we'd go down the line, run in and film it with Tim like hyping people up in front of me and keep it going, but it ended up being quite difficult for me to run with a gimbal and keep it centered at the same time. So what we did is do it again, but I just walked down this time a bit more slowly. That allowed me to keep it centered. Another thing we wanted to get was loads of vox pops from just people tasting it or just get excitement shots from the crowd or whatever. So because I had Vinny on sound separately, I needed to make sure that we were clapping to make sure the clips were in sync, otherwise it'd be a nightmare in post. So that was kind of it for the event day. Everything was shot, we got all the sound, and now I just had to dump all my SD cards and put them on to my computer to make sure we've all got them backed up. That is one thing I must always say, back up your shit. Get in. Ah! We're all wrapped on a day of shooting hot and savoury. It was tiring but so good.
Super excited.
Level 1A.
We are here.
We're queer, we're here. Vinny's been amazing like second grip on things. She's been doing audio all day. Alright, Vinny. Yeah, oh shit. Audio all day. It's been a good day with
pictures, super happy. amazing, couldn't have gone any better.
Love it.
And yeah, dream team, as always.
Dream team, baby. So that was kind of it, because the main thing is to plan, shoot, edit, and then obviously you've got like sending revisions and things like that. But that's, you know, that's under the edit, I would say. If you have any other questions, pop them down below, and anything else you want to see, let's get it down below. Yeah, thanks for watching.